Hey, this is Jack with Recipal, and I'm going to show you a new feature we just added that makes it a lot easier to figure out what size of labels to order. One great thing about Recipal is that we let you easily adjust the width of your label with this slider. And that width is displayed in pixels. But sometimes that can be confusing how it actually translates into the size of your image when you print it. So now we also display the width and height of your label in inches beneath that. Now keep in mind, there are still some assumptions we need to make about the DPI and some other printing elements that make these dimensions an approximation, but it should be very, very close and help you figure out what type of label you'd need to order. The other thing to keep in mind is that if you download your labels as a PDF, that's a vector file, meaning that you can scale it up and down without losing any of the quality. Because of this, the ratio of the dimensions is more important to pay attention to than the dimensions themselves. So if you had a label that was 3 by 6, that would also work as 2 by 4 or 1 by 2 because the ratio is the same throughout. We know this is a small feature, but it should make it a lot easier to figure out what size you want to print your labels. If there's anything else that could help making printing labels easier, just let us know. And as always, you can get started for free at recipal.com.